Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 42, Life, the Universe, and Everything. Getting into this one, he has this idea that when you have a problem, when you have a frantic meeting or something's just like going really badly, that you should excuse yourself and walk away and talk to God. Now, talking to God in the practice of like Wayne Dyer's thinking about this, at least in my interpretation, is the listening to the silence, that inspiration. And I would suggest that being more like just talking to the subconscious mind, putting your brain in an alpha wave like state of just sitting in that silence and letting the inspiration come to you. Call that God, other gods, the universe, call it your subconscious mind, whatever you want to call the power there. But sitting there and getting into that brainwave state, allowing you to really see things differently, that you ask, how can I serve, is what he's suggesting. How can I serve you? How can I, do the best in this case? Because when we're all emotional about things, when we're just talking about them all in the moment, we're just like this and this and this, and we're just like, we're so involved in the situation, we're like so close to it, we can't actually see it objectively. This is a problem that a lot of other people have when somebody sees a problem. So, if somebody sees someone doing well at most things, they're like, oh, you must just be great at whatever you're doing. People are like, no, I'm terrible at this, because they feel too close to the situation. They're too close, too attached to it, basically, is what I'm getting at. So people are often too attached to a situation, particularly when they're emotionally involved. Somebody says something and they're really offended and they're really angry. All that kind of stuff just really stems from that kind of attachment of being close to the situation. And he's saying when you can walk away from it for a little bit, then you can get away from all that need to be attached to it, have all that kind of stuff happen. Instead, you're a little bit away from it, and then you can start to get that inspiration, that thought that really lets you solve it. That's basically it for part 42. I don't really know what else to say about it, because I think it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but I could be wrong about that. You guys may have a different idea about it, so let me know what you guys think of this principle. I will see you guys next time with the 43rd video, so stay tuned.